To start, let's exit Minecraft. Here we are on our desktop. Now, what you need to do is open the web browser of your choice, and then we need to go to the OptiFine website. So search for OptiFine like this and go to optifine.net. Click on download at the top of the page. Click on show all versions. The version you will download depends on the version of Forge you currently have, as well as any other mods if you have them. In my case, I currently have neither Forge nor any other mods, so it doesn't matter here. So I can choose any version. However, if you do have them, you need to make sure to pick the same version. For example, if you have Forge for Minecraft 1.2.1, you also need to download OptiFine for that version. Depending on your version of Forge, you may need to reinstall it to make sure it matches here as well. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So what I'm going to do is download Minecraft OptiFine for version 1.2.1.4. I'm going to click on download. You'll then be redirected to an ad wall. Just keep in mind that this is an advertisement. So what we need to do is click the skip button at the top right, and then we'll be redirected to the download page. We can click on download, and now it's downloaded. What I'm going to do here is click on back. Now what we need to do is go to Forge. We're going to open a new tab, then we can type Forge Minecraft like this. Here we are. We can go to the site. Now, as I said, we need to get it for the same version. In this case, it's 1.214. If we then go back to OptiFine, we can go to the right and see the version we need, which is 54,034. So I can come back here and we can make sure to get it. Click on show all versions, then I can find it, 54,034. We can click on install on the right, and that's it. We can now start downloading it. Again, remember that this is just an ad wall here, so your download button is about the ad, not Forge. You can then click on the skip button at the top right, like this, and now it's downloaded. Before starting the installation process, open your downloads folder in File Explorer, then we're going to install Forge, so double-click on it like this. You should see the installer appear. If that's not the case, if nothing happens or something else opens, it's because you need to have Java installed. So here, you can download it, and after downloading it, you can install it. Next, go back to Forge, right-click on it, hover over Open With, and select Java Platform SE Binary. You can choose Install Client and click OK, then wait for the installation to finish. You can then click OK, and now we need to open the Minecraft launcher. So we're going to do that now. Go to the top and click on Installation. Scroll down, find Forge, hover over it, then click on the folder icon to the right. Now, what's going to happen is that these files will open. Scroll down and we need to find the mods folder. You can see it's right here. Go inside it. Here, we need to add OptiFine as well as any other mods you want. Just make sure they're for version 1.24 or whichever version you have. They all need to be the same version. After adding them, we can click play next to Forge. Keep in mind that this is playing a modded version, so go to Options, then Video Settings. We can see it in the bottom left corner.